If you notice his eyeballs, they are moving along a horizontal line as if he's reading out the lines. Now he's literally not even looking into the eye, he's just reading out of the teleprompter. I'll show you the best example of this movie. He's not even looking into his eye, dude. He's here and this guy is looking somewhere here. So what I'm trying to say is, if you're taking 100 crores for a movie, at least learn your lines and come to the set now.
अब सोशल मीडिया पर एक वीडियो वायरल हो रहा है जिसमें एक शख्स सरफरार के कुछ सीन्स में अक्षय की एक्टिंग पर बात कर रहा है। शख्स का कहना है कि अक्षय ने अपने डायलॉग्स पढ़ कर ही बोले। एक सीन में तो अक्षय की आंखों पर जूम करके भी दिखाया है जिसमें उनकी आंखें किसी चीज को पढ़ती हुई सी समझ आ रही हैं।
Hello guys, welcome to the world's first Akshay Kumar hater channel, and for that matter, a film critic channel as well. I made a mistake. I'm sorry for that. Hurling such bad abuses, even threats also for that matter. See, I'm just a random viewer. And with that, now that you're here, I would recommend you, if you're riding a motorcycle, wear your helmets and strap on your helmets. Otherwise, it defeats the purpose of wearing a helmet in the first place. So, quick suggestion: now that you're here, I may as well use the opportunity to, talk about something important rather than the rest of the video. Alright, let's go. Firstly, I would like to genuinely apologize. I made a mistake. I'm sorry for that. To all Akshay Kumar fans and every film enthusiast out there, I would like to extend my apology. I'm sorry. I'm genuinely sorry to have watched Sarfira first and not Surarai Potru. Oh, look at that defender. God damn. Man, that was a longer wheelbase version. Anyway, let's not digress. So yeah, I was searching for something to watch with while having dinner, and I happened to see this movie. Maybe it was mentioned somewhere that it's based on true events, so I was like, chal dekh leta. And even after I finished my dinner, I continued to watch the movie. So yeah, there you have it. I mean, I was pretty engaged to watch the movie through and through. So points from fresh new critique to the movie. But anyway, I'm not acting as a film critic here. I'll just address the elephant in the room now. कि भाई मैं देखा वो movie and I happened to notice something funny in the movie. It was Akshay Kumar just literally reading out the lines he was supposed to say in the movie out of a some placard or some teleprompter or something like that, and I noticed it. I found it funny and I made a reel about it because I think I make funny content on internet. So I thought I'll make this one and post it on internet, and it did catch up, and it caught up a little too quick and a little too much, to a point where it was re-uploaded on Twitter, it was re-uploaded on Reddit, then people also reposted it somewhere else, and then suddenly out of the blue there are these Akshay Kumar fans coming at me, commenting on the video and everything, and I'm sitting here and wondering, what? Have I finally made it? No. And I'm sitting here and wondering कि भाई एक basic observation ही तो किया है. What else have I done? Just a single joke offended, and this is the first time, by the way, that my jokes have offended people. So, well, I finally made it. उसके बाद क्या हुआ कि people are saying तू होता कौन है बोलने वाला? What do you know about movies? And of course I don't know about movies. I just work as a VFX artist. And as a matter of fact, I've worked as an artist on one of his very big movies, which unfortunately was a big flop. But I have seen firsthand how things are behind the scenes. But again, let me be clear, these are my personal opinions, and I'm not going to go much into detail of this. And having said that, of course, I don't know as much as Akshay Kumar would know. And acting के बारे में तो मेरे को घंटा कुछ पता नहीं है. What I know is you can learn your lines. I'll defend myself later, but I'll first tell you what exactly happened. Woi! उसके बाद क्या होता है कि people have started making conspiracy theories कि this guy is making negative PR against Akshay Kumar. शाहरुख खान की PR की तरफ से है. मैं बोला मैं कब रिक्रूट हुआ इधर भाई? अगर if शाहरुख खान is at all interested, भाई प्लीज़ मेरे को दे दो थोड़े पैसे यार. If this is what your PR is, bashing some other actor, then and I'm doing it for free, please pay me. I mean, Shahrukh Khan, you owe me, man.
तरीका है भीख मांगने का.
Then people out of the blue look me up on my socials, what I do, and then they happen to know one of my employers who have associated with, and they say कि हाँ ये फिल्म कंपनी है, ये इन लोगों का ये है, ये PR टीम में से है ये. From a fan of अक्षय कुमार, I happen to know कि भाई there's some film coming. अभी वो अलग बात है कि भाई अक्षय कुमार की हर फिल्म 2-2 हफ्ते में एक नई फिल्म आ जाती है. तो देन आई रियलाइज कि अक्षय कुमार न्यू फिल्म इज़ कमिंग अप. तो व्हेन आई गॉट टू नो दैट, वो बोला कि नहीं, ओनली व्हेन देयर इज़ अ फिल्म अपकमिंग सच पीपल कम अप, सच पोस्ट्स कम अप टॉकिंग नेगेटिव अबाउट अक्षय कुमार. मैं बोला भाई आई हैव गॉट माई वर्क, आई हैव गॉट थिंग्स टू डू. फर्स्टली अगर तेरे अक्की सर अपेरेंटली तेरे अक्की सर की अगर मेरी एक पोस्ट से तेरे अक्की सर की स्टारडम निकल रही है या उसकी पब्लिक इमेज को ठेस पहुंच रही है, बट देन आई एम नॉट द वन और यू आर नॉट द वन दैट शुड बी वरीड. अक्षय कुमार शुड बी वरीड. भाई नीदर यू नॉर आई, वी आर नो वन. अक्षय कुमार इज अ स्टार. मेरे या तेरे ओपिनियन से कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. दैट इज नॉट गोना अफेक्ट हिज स्टारडम और हिज एक्टिंग बाय एनी वे. बट as hilarious as it sounds, he was not even being ironic about it. He was genuinely, he meant it, and it somehow just, and it was not just one person, okay? It was many of these Akshay Kumar fans that somehow got so personally affected that they were abusing me and people that have commented on my video that are agreeing with me. They've been abusing them and hurling such bad abuses, even threats also for that matter, over a joke. Are you serious? And this was like, I completely like, I was like, chal theek hai, maybe that's all they've got in their lives, that's all that is happening in their lives, so maybe just let go of it. And I even did not entertain any of those. Only there was this one comment of some actor that had commented saying that कुछ ऐसा लंबा सा उसने acting hacks and acting procedures and whatever he had commented, which logically made sense to a point. So I replied to him saying that yeah, that makes sense. I agree with you with all of these technical aspects, but despite of that, it still is very, very apparent that Akshay Kumar is still reading his dialogues on the screen. But most importantly, people were mostly offended of the fact that I said at the end ki if you're taking 100 crores for a movie, why not learn your lines? I mean, see, I'm not saying that even only Akshay Kumar must do this. I'm pretty sure 90 to 99% of actors don't learn their lines, and neither are they supposed to. What I'm trying to say is, अगर तुम्हें उतने पैसे मिल रहे हैं ना, प्लीज डोंट गेट मी रॉन्ग, आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट अक्षय कुमार इज मेकिंग 100 करोड़ पर मूवी. चल 10 करोड़ भी अगर ले रहा होगा, 10 करोड़ 20 करोड़ भी अगर वो ले रहा होगा, भाई तभी भी यार बनता है कि एटलीस्ट यू शुड वॉच you should see someone in the eye while you're talking to them on the screen. And this is not me acting as a film critic. This is not me acting as some Anupama Chopra or Rajiv Masand of the world. See, I'm just a random viewer that is watching a movie and noticing something and sharing my observation. It's as simple as that. And even if you disagree with that कि भाई हाँ चलो 100 करोड़ ले रहा है तो, या फिर चलो 50 करोड़ या 20 करोड़ भी ले रहा है कि नहीं, अगर वो ले रहा है फिर भी उसकी मर्जी है उसको लर्न करने की नहीं कर रहे, it's fine. I'm not so emotionally attached with my opinion on this. I don't care whether you agree or disagree. It's not like it changes anything in my life. If you say that he wasn't using teleprompter, fine, I agree with that as well. Or even if you say that he was using teleprompter and there is nothing wrong with that, I'm fine with that as well.
Fine by me.
I have absolutely no qualms with anything you have to say. So I don't know what this all fuss is all about. And most hilariously, somehow this became a political debate. The left wing and the अभी ऐसा हो रहा है ना आजकल की हर चीज़ में पॉलिटिक्स घुसेड़ा जा रहा है. And this is thanks to the current situation, Indian political situation. और उसमें मेरे को कमेंट करना भी नहीं है. My content has stayed प्योरली ए पॉलिटिकल, उसमें कुछ कनेक्शन ही नहीं है. मैं भाई अपना रोड पे बकचोदी करता हूँ तो इसमें पॉलिटिक्स का कुछ सवाल ही नहीं उठता. बट देन सडनली देयर कम्स द लेफ्ट विंगर्स एंड द राइट विंगर्स with their own agendas, with their own opinions about how him reading out of the teleprompter is connected to the politics of this country. I mean, wow. I mean, as bizarre as it may sound as I say it, I mean that's the fact. You can go through the comments and see how people have started to shove in politics in there, what all. And then me pointing this out has suddenly made me political कि मैं एक political propaganda फैला रहा हूँ where he is not, him apparently taking such a high fee for his movie is not justified, and that is coming from me as a person from the opposite. This is something that I completely dismiss. Okay, I don't belong to any political ideology, neither left nor right. I like to be where I am in my own private space. I have my own political thoughts and I like to keep them to myself. I don't wish to share them with anyone at all. But these guys are just adamant at it. People are going on my Twitter that I've not used for the last 2 years. They are going there and cherry picking people that I follow on Twitter and proving a point and trying to prove a point ki, see, this is why this guy is paid by someone. When it went on Twitter, I realized कि अभी ये थोड़ा सा toxicity की तरफ जा रहा है ये मामला, where now there's going to be a lot of politics involved and there's going to be a lot of opinions that are going to pour in. Suddenly it just took a completely different turn. And today morning I see friends are sharing with me some articles that have come on India Times, on News 18, on MSN, on Men's XP. भाई इतने सारे आर्टिकल्स, अक्षय कुमार caught using a teleprompter. अरे मैं बोला भाई साहब, भाई caught using a teleprompter, ये मीडिया चैनल्स को भी ना मानना पड़ेगा. By the way, I mean the way they sensationalize even the basic silliest of news and make it as if it's some huge scandal that has been unfolded. Bhai sahab, man caught Akshay Kumar using a teleprompter on the set in a movie scene from Sarfira. Wow. And they are also highlighting the fact कि मैं ऐसा लास्ट में वो रील में बोलता हूँ कि if you're making 100 crores, why not learn your lines? पहली बात तो I'm pretty sure he's not making 100 crore per movie. He's made a few movies that he's charged 100 crores for. But they've been picking up that statement saying that मैं questioning him and holding him accountable for charging 100 crores for a movie and not learning his lines. भाई मैं कौन होता हूँ यार? भाई मेरे को मेरे lines याद नहीं रहते. I'll show you an example where I'm trying to say a line and I'm not able to say it fully. First and foremost is obviously the helmet. Now no matter how... Fuck dude, I forgot the lines. First and foremost is obviously the helmet. Now no matter how... No. Fuck dude, why do I fucking... First and foremost is obviously the helmet. Now no matter how smart or dumb you are, you're still valuable. And what's... Akshay bhai, I relate with you. And मैं ये बोल भी क्यों रहा हूँ भाई? I know Akshay Kumar doesn't even know I exist. Akshay Kumar doesn't even care what I have to say about him. It's just these so-called fans of Akshay Kumar that somehow just consider it as their own life responsibility to defend him, and for no reason. Like, he doesn't need any defense. He's got his stardom, he's got his acting skills, and no one is taking that away from him. अक्षय कुमार को कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि कोई उनके बारे में क्या बोलता है कि नहीं? Man, I felt good. Here's my very particular and very straightforward clarification. Guys, I'm a sole creator. I work. I'm a VFX artist and I make videos on the internet, and I have no associations with any company, any person, any PR team, any political party. So please leave me alone. Leave me alone, भाई, leave me alone. रही बात ये अक्षय कुमार के टेलीप्रॉम्प्टर की, भाई अक्षय कुमार भाई, दिस इज मी टॉकिंग टू यू मैन टू मैन. अगर आप टेलीप्रॉम्प्टर यूज़ कर रहे हो, बिंदास करो. नहीं कर रहे हो, मत करो. आई डोंट केयर, यू डोंट केयर अबाउट माई ओपिनियन, सो लेट इट बी. आप अपने ये ट्रोल्स को बोलो, आप वैसे भी नहीं देखने वाले हो. बट आई एम रिक्वेस्टिंग द ट्रोल्स एंड आई एम रिक्वेस्टिंग द फैन पेजेस ऑफ अक्षय कुमार. भाई लोग, गेट अ लाइफ, फाइंड समथिंग टू डू इन योर लाइफ and work on it. Focus on your own life. Akshay Kumar doesn't even know you exist. So why waste so much time?
Stop it. Get some help.
I don't hate your father. नीदर डू आई लव एनीवन एल्स. आई नो ही इज़ वेरी डिसिप्लिन्ड. 4 मूवीज़ एक साल में बनाना इज नॉट, एंड आई एम नॉट बीइंग sarcastic. प्लीज, आई एम नॉट बीइंग sarcastic हो गया. 4 मूवीज़ एक साल में बनाना इज नॉट एन ईजी फीट. सो भाई रिस्पेक्ट टू हिम. आई डोंट हेट हिम. सो इवन यू डोंट हेट मी. प्लीज़ कुछ अच्छा करो, थोड़ा मेहनत करो लाइफ में, सक्सेसफुल बनो अपनी लाइफ में. डोंट डिफेंड अ पर्सन दैट डजंट इवन नो यू. मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंटली मीडिया तो भाई, मीडिया तो लेजेंडरी है. मीडिया ने तो मेरा एक आर्टिकल ऐसे छाप दिया था कि भाई आई एम गोइंग टू IBW, जबकि मेरे को भी नहीं पता कि आई एम गोइंग टू IBW. उन्होंने खुद ही डिसाइड कर दिया कि अनुराग साड़गांवकर इज़ गोइंग टू IBW और डाल दो आर्टिकल में. भाई मीडिया बड़ी अतरंगी है, उसके लिए आई हैव नो सरप्राइजेस. आई एम नॉट सरप्राइज एट ऑल. ऑलराइट, हैव टेकन अ U-turn टू गो बैक. तो भाई लोग, ऑल इन ऑल 100 बात की एक बात, मैंने बस टाइम पास में एक रील बनाई. एंड अगर तुम्हें उससे बुरा लग रहा है, इफ यू आर फीलिंग ऑफेंडेड अबाउट इट, देन आई एम सॉरी दैट यू आर ऑफेंडेड. ओके, दैट्स द मैक्स आई कैन डू. उसके अलावा तो भाई मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकता. सो आई डोंट नो, दिस वाज the only agenda of this ride. And I know, and I completely understand the pointlessness of this video. There is absolutely no requirement to, justify myself for something as silly and as basic as this. But better safe than sorry, है ना. जोक्स के लिए मेरे को भाई कोर्ट की सीढ़ियाँ नहीं चढ़नी है, ना ही मैं चाहता हूँ कि कोई मेरे दरवाजे पे आए, और कोई भी मेरा एड्रेस नहीं बोलेगा. किसी को भी पता नहीं चलना चाहिए मैं गोरेगांव में रहता हूँ.
फिर मारने का आएगा तू.
अगर अभी आए ही हो मेरे इंस्टाग्राम से, मेरे यूट्यूब पे, मेरा दूसरा कंटेंट भी देख लो. दिस इज़ नॉट व्हाट आई डू ऑन अ डेली बेसिस. आई मेक कंटेंट ऑन मोटरसाइकिलिंग. सो इफ़ यू हैपन टू राइड मोटरसाइकिल्स और इफ़ यू लाइक मोटरसाइकिल्स, maybe consider watching my videos. You can turn into I won't say a fan, but you can turn into a subscriber. But even if you subscribe, promise me that मेरे को ऐसे डिफेंड नहीं करोगे. हाँ भाई, मेरे को इतना टॉक्सिक बिहेवियर नहीं चाहिए. हाय बोल दो, हेलो बोल दो, मेरे को प्रमोट कर दो भाई. अनुराग इज़ अ ग्रेट कंटेंट क्रिएटर, बहुत अच्छे वीडियोस बनाता है, ऐसे बोल दो. किसी को जाके मेरे नाम पे गाली मत देना प्लीज़ गाइस. भाई मेरी अपनी ऑडियंस बहुत अच्छी है, बहुत प्यारी है, बट मैं ये नए वाले जो आ रहे हैं ना, जस्ट सब्सक्राइब पीसफुली, बाकी और कुछ मत करना प्लीज़. आई नो दिस इज़ नॉट अ यूजुअल वीडियो, अ यूजुअल अपलोड ऑन माई चैनल वेयर I judge people on the road. It's me talking about people judging me for once. So I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you stay tuned for more content from my end. And with that, bye-bye.
Bonus.
चलो थोड़ी सी सब्जी ली जाए. मेथी ले लेते हैं आज. मेथी लुक्स गुड. भाजी कमी. अच्छा.
Hello there.
खाते नहीं.
हाँ.
नहीं के बारे पाके.
हाँ.
बच्चों को लेके आएगी. नहीं. हाँ.
ना हल्ली ना ले लो.
इनसे लग्न नहीं झाले.
हाँ.
लग्न नाही झालाय.
नाही लग्न नाही झालं.
हेल्मेट घातलं मला बरोबर.
हेल्मेटच घातलं, अजून मंगळसूत्र नाही घातलं.
बुलेट गाडी आहे ती.
हाँ.
नवरा बायको आले, पोरगाला घेऊन आले होते.
अच्छा, थैंक यू. चलो भाई, दुनिया भर की कंट्रोवर्सी करके घर मेथी लेके जाएंगे आज बनेगा मेथी. भाई मैं ठहरा घरगुती मोटो ब्लॉगर यार. कहाँ तुम्हारे अक्षय कुमार की स्टारडम खत्म करूँगा मैं.
So please whatever. Please I want to reach 1 million likes. So please sarapakara.